Here, grade 6 IIT children to perform a short skit on the importance of the balanced diet in our daily life. Now, let's see what happens in Ravi's house. Ravi, would you please come for lunch?
Yes, Mom. Karina, what for lunch today?
Today I have prepared rice and dal.
Mom, what is this? I don't like these things. I want puris for lunch.
No, Ravi, you have puris for breakfast this morning and see not eat the same kind of food throughout the day. To keep us strong and healthy, we should eat with different nutrients.
What is this, Mom? I don't like these things. I want puris for lunch and dinner too.
I don't know how to convince you, Ravi. Mother keeps thinking if anyone could change him. All the nutrients at the rainbow mess discuss about the nutrients after eating the lunch in the rainbow mess.
Wow, the food flavored rainbow mess so tasty and yummy.
Yummy paneer. So tasty and yummy.
Hey, Jesse, which plate you see? I am occupied the major portion. Do you know? I am so great. I am the king of all nutrients.
Oh, if what you are great.
I provide lots of energy to people to do their physical works.
But I am also great. I am the queen of all and as I help in growth, body repair, repair of damage issues. Hey, do you know people love to eat food containing meat? Do you like it?
Not. Fatty foods are not healthy.
No, not at all. Do you know something? I had to keep the body warm and also help in absorption of fat soluble vitamins too.
Hey guys, do you know, even though we are micronutrients, it helps to keep two bodies healthy. We have play a vital role to keep bodies healthy and fit.
Do you know that we have brands called protective nutrients? So we protect people from diseases. Will you allow to me speak?
Hey, cool set. What's your problem?
I am Rafael.
Hello, excuse me. You have no role over here. Keep quiet. Please go.
No, I have role too. I have help in removing waste from people's body.
Hey, have you look at me? Don't neglect me like that. You know how important I am help in digestion and regulation of body temperature. Stop it! I am only great.
Yes, stop. In fact, I am great. I am also great too.
I am great too.
What about me? Me too.
I am great. I am great.
I am great.
Hello friends, can you allow me to speak?
Who are you?
Hey, I am the balanced diet. If you all join together, nothing but me only. Ha ha ha. Why are you all fighting? No one is great. Everyone has own importance. Keep the body healthy. Don't argue like this. If we keep fighting, how can we convince the poor boy Ravi who is not eating balanced diet? I see that's right. I am extremely sorry. Shall we go to Ravi's house and convince him? It's support from all of us.
Now at Ravi's house.
Mom, I have a dream last night, balanced diet and with all nutrients. Come to our house and explain me how important the balanced diet with right amount.
Really? It's so surprising. Knock at the door. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Ravi, Jesse, who's at the door?
Yes, Mom.
Ravi opens the door. Ravi will shock to see the balanced diet with all the nutrients to enter his house.
I am balanced diet. Here I have my friends to know convince the importance of nutrients in our daily life.
Friends, I always see in my dream. Last night, I understood the importance of balanced diet. Thank you for your valuable suggestions.
Thank you for all changing my son's habits.
Bye, Ravi. Have a nice day.
Thank you.